G'day guys, these BMW E90s. So you can do the water pump with leaving the thermostat in situ. Not that it's recommended. It's recommended, especially if it's overheated, to change everything. But just a very quick video. So you could see the top bolt of the water pump just up here. See up there? There it is there. Okay, and with the thermostat down and loosened, you can get to it. If you're struggling, I mean, the best tool for it is this. So I've actually used an air ratchet to undo it all because I'd had the thermostat out. But if you're gonna leave the thermostat in, that's all you need to undo that top one. Or if you could get a ratchet in with the actual, 12. Okay. Now, what you do here, take the bolt out of the oil cooler, okay, other bolt from the top of the fan on this side, take the fans out, the cooling fan for the engine, and then release the bottom radiator hose from the thermostat, undo the 210s, and you can see the orientation of the clamps is going to be as such that you can reach them. And that upper hose, you can actually get the pump out without loosening the steel pipe there off the block. So it's not the end of the world. Drop the sway bar down, obviously, but it is quite fiddly. And if your hoses are oil soaked, you can have a problem in future. You can see the connectors as well suffer here from sort of dirt, sand, and oil leaks. And that's about what I was going to help you with. So if you want to pull the thermostat off, take the connection. You can see up there it's off the lower tank. There you go, the lower expansion tank. Make sure when you put it back to reroute it to the same spot. You can see you want to be moving all these. You want to be releasing the bolt off this just to give you that little bit of movement. Otherwise, you'll snap this pipe. Otherwise, that's pretty much the tips I have for the job. Also, the other tip is that the pump should be running and spraying out the top of the overflow bottle at all times. It might not be at full duty, but it should always have a jet of water coming out into the expansion tank. There's the pump there. If you're reusing for whatever reason, or just be careful that these rubber mounts stay in place. Okay, you can see that one's not, but that's all right because I've used a new pump that comes with it. Also, they are hollow bolts and you'll get new bolts with your new pump. I do not recommend used here because these cars are getting really old, so I don't recommend a used unit. Beware if it's a used unit, plug it in, plug the thermostat in, and put the key on or start the engine without getting anything in the belts, or put the scanner on it and try and test it before. It is a 4-pin connector to the water pump. Okay guys, hope that helps. Bye.